What up? What up, everybody? It's your boy Mark back with another video. Man, they had an epic failure. Epic failure, man. No, not a failure. It was a failure and a disaster. Where my gloves at? But yeah, show y'all in just a minute. I should have recorded, but I be forgetting to record. I must have took them in the house. Here go one right here. But excuse me. Hold on. Just came back from the dry shaft shop. Picking up my dry shaft. Had to have my dry shaft shortened. Yeah, had to have that dry shaft shortened. Fleet Pride. I think I had them shorten it 2 inches, 2.5 inches. All I know is it's 52 inches from U-joint to U-joint. 52 inches. What up, big boy? Oh, man. He's a big boy.
See Mark's mechanic.
Yeah. Slide off into this backyard real quick, to this garage. But yeah, we got this dry shaft. I'm gonna show y'all my epic failure disaster here in just a second. Make it back here to the garage. Oh man. Hold on, let me get my keys. Alright, got my keys. Man, go ahead and show y'all my epic failure. Man, this stuff was crazy. Light on. Y'all see the money? It's almost like transmission fluid and stuff. Look at my garage, this junk. I gotta clean my garage out. But yeah, let me show y'all my epic failure, man. Disaster failure, whatever y'all want to call it. Oh, you see I got the motor in. Had to buy some new motor mount setback plates. Cause the old ones had the motor sitting up against the firewall when I put the transmission in. And then when I was trying to take the motor out with it sitting all the way back, it poked another hole in the firewall. So I had to pull the motor out and redid the firewall. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, redid the firewall again and painted it. So, yeah, I had to redo the firewall again. But, yeah, I got the motor in there with the new setback plates that sits up there. As y'all can see, the transmission is hooked up, but that ain't the transmission I originally had to put in here. This is where my epic failure disaster comes in. So I originally had a transmission back there in the back over there, going into that mug right there. I originally had that one going up in here. But in the process of me having it up in here, jacking it up in the air, I had to do something with the motor, move the motor, and it fell off the transmission, y'all. I mean, not the transmission, but the jack. And look what happened. Cracked the housing on my transmission. I was hot. But then again, I was mad, but then again I wasn't, because I didn't pay anything for this transmission, but then again, I did. You know, my time and stuff. Oh yeah, before I forget, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Yeah, then I was gonna put this one up in there. Then I thought about it and was like, why would I put my good 4L80 up in there if I'm gonna sell this car?
B&M's coming real soon. Y'all get ready for this. You know what I'm saying?
But yeah,
One-stop shop.
When I sell my good transmission with the car, and I'm gonna sell the car. But yeah, I got the hold on. I got the 60 up in there. It's ready. I still gotta change the filter and stuff. See, I see the bolts loose. Like I said, I just had the dry shaft short and modified to fit up in there. I'm about to Matter of fact, I'm working on doing this now. Doing the cross member, modifying it to put it up in there, and that's what I'm working on now. Y'all see the gas tank, but I'm about a gas tank for the LS Monte Carlo, because it's that what were you at? 85,
86.
85, 86. It came with the fuel injector motor, so it had
86, 87.
so it had the baffle in there already. So yeah. But yeah, that's my little disaster I had, y'all, man. The homie seem to think I can weld that, but I ain't gonna fuck with it. You know what y'all would think it's garbage to me. Even though it's on the housing.
I'm gonna go get another one and put a housing on.
Well, no, this one, the housing don't screw off of this one.
Let me take all the don't screw out.
No, the housing don't screw off of this
I ain't
one.
never seen nobody fix one of them. I
Nah.
don't even think they can be fixed, can they?
Well, nah, cause hey, I took it to this one dude when I cracked my rim, broke my rim on my car, that aluminum rim.
Right.
He fixed that rim, and
But that's like zinc. I don't think that's aluminum. That's zinc.
I don't know what that is.
I think that's zinc. Shit, if that was aluminum, don't you know everybody, they'd be snatching them out the cars, going to go crush them. Shit. Right?
I don't know what the rims were, but hey, he fixed it. Whatever it was, he welded it back together, and you can't tell. But yeah, I'm about to do that cross member, put them on, start hooking everything back up on here. And like I said, I gotta get a new power steering pump pulley because that's too big. So yeah, that power steering pump pulley too big. I gotta go get a smaller one. And shit, that's about it. This mug will be running after that. Hook up all the wires. My wiring harness right there. I already got my computer from when I out of my station wagon. And then, like I said, I just had my drive shaft shortened. And I got all my fuel lines, transmission lines. I got my fuel pump, fuel sending unit, all that. So I can have it running this weekend. But anyway, it's your boy Mark. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And as always, keep it pushing.